This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Rick Carter. You must see this beautiful 3-bed 2-bath home just a few minutes from uptown Charlotte. Updated primary bedroom suite with dual closets and new bathroom. New laundry/mudroom, new vinyl plank flooring, newly tiled bathrooms, new roof and so much more. Add to that a huge oversized, nearly 800 square feet, detached garage west/parking for 2 cars and enough space for a workshop or a man cave as well. Conveniently located for quick trips to Charlotte Douglas Airport or 5 minutes to the new Riverbend Village with shopping, nightlife, and more. Great short-term rental, Airbnb, potential. For more information, review the details below.